I'm beginning today's look using James Cosmetics Hydrating Booster. Now this is a gorgeous serum that will really pack some moisture into the skin and give you that really nice glowy look. So I'm just massaging it in with my fingers and making sure that I get all over my face, under my eyes, and really working that into the skin. Now, in order to work this in further, James Cosmetics has what this is called the wand. Now, you can't see this, but it's actually vibrating. So you turn it on at the end and it vibrates as you lift the skin up. This helps the product to penetrate deeply into your skin and really gives your face a beautiful massage while you're doing it. The key is to lift it up. This is another gorgeous James Cosmetics product. Now, this one is also has a bit of a vibration, but you must have your fingers on the metal bit and then the other placed under the eye, and it will vibrate and really smooth. And instantly you can see that it is lifting and firming that under eye area. Now, I'm going to go in with some glow. This is for the body. Now, this is the Body Glow by Esme Minerals, and it has a little applicator, and you just sweep it through. Just thought I would give myself that little bit of an extra glow to really get the skin looking sun-kissed. Now, I don't have a Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, but I do have the next best thing, which is the dupe from Kmart. This is OXX, and it's called Sparkling Rose Luminous Skin Tint. And it really is just that. It's just a gorgeous skin tint that sort of puts a little bit of luminosity into your skin and really creates that nice, natural, glowing look. Again, I want my skin to look like skin, but I want myself to look like I've been out in the sun or on a holiday, totally sun-kissed. Using the McoBeauty Contour, I'm really going to give my skin that warmth and match it to my body, as I have a skin tint on my arms and décolleté as well. So just pressing that in. I'm using the Real Techniques foundation brush. Got a bit of hair on my face there. And I'm just pushing it into where I want it, helping to frame the face, make my face look a little bit more tanned, and really just working that into the skin. So now my face is looking a little bit more sun-kissed, just like the rest of my body. If you find that you've done what I did and it comes down a bit too far, just come back in with your foundation or whichever foundation you used, and just make sure you highlight these. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just going into these areas that I do want to remain lighter and just adding a little bit more of that skin tint. I don't really like those wands on those skin tints, to be quite honest. I know it makes it more detailed, but I prefer, just to use the brush. So as you can see, it's helping to lift up these areas of the face and create that little bit of highlight as well. So that's the skin. Now we're going into the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Sophisticate palette first, and I'm using the light beige. So it's a really matte color, placing this up under the brow and in the inner corner, just to create that sort of base. Now this is the tan shade from the same palette, and I'm sweeping this all over the mobile lid there, right on the ball and up into the crease, and using just a fluffy brush here, and I'm just blending it all the way through the crease and then dragging it a little bit out on the outer corner. Same on the other side. So you don't have to be too fussy. We want to keep this really easy to do. It is a little bit of a sort of soft glam for your summer look, right? Rubbing that through that crease there and really blending it up. I'm adding a little bit more to this brow bone because I want to lift the eyes. So as you can see, instantly the eyes look a little bit more lifted because I placed the color right on that bone, and then I'm really blending it up and out. Now, this is the shimmer from the Bella Sofia, and this is that really nice sort of golden bronze shimmer, and I'm just using my finger to place that. And then I'm using the lighter shimmer in that palette just on the inner corner to really create that pop. Same color as I used on the ball of the eye, the matte, just running along the bottom. Using the Rumi Cosmetics Mascara, this has become one of my favorites of late. It really helps to separate those lashes, bring heaps of length and volume. So I'm just sweeping that through the lashes and tapping a little bit on the bottom lash line there. I do like to do a couple of coats and just a touch there. Another Rumi Cosmetics product, I'm just doing the brows, sweeping that through, giving them some shape. This is the Power Brow. I find it really easy to use, especially if you are on holiday. Charlotte Tilbury again, this is the contour, so I'm just really going over the area that we contoured before, just creating a little bit more definition, a bit more warmth in the face, and setting that creamy product as well. also down the nose too, setting that through and making sure I run it right up into that brow area, into the eye socket. Now I'm using the glow from this product, just mixing those two and just really touching those high points of the face, again, to give myself that really sun-kissed glow. Setting this makeup with the Youngblood, this is the medium setting powder, and I'm just really setting all those areas that haven't been set. Love this shade. This is called Vienna. Oh, no, sorry, it's called Venice. Sorry, there's Sienna and Venice. It is gorgeous, really beautiful peachy shade, and I'm putting it on my cheeks as well. This has just brought the entire look together, I feel, and just I look really like I'm ready to go out for a summer night out somewhere in the tropics or on an island. And adding just a little bit more color there, so I felt like I just needed just a touch more. And this is the thing with these products, they build up really, really well. Hope you like this look. Let me know what you think.